Welcome to Fashion Trends. Subscribe to receive free notes and videos from our channel. And remember to hit the bell icon so you can receive similar types of videos from our channel. Hello beautiful girls, welcome back to Fashion Trends, and today in our video we're going to be seeing about green silk saree design. So today we're going to be talking about what are the amazing and the beautiful shades to use for your green silk sarees and what are the contrast colors to use with your green silk saree for your amazing blouse. So without wasting any minute, let's get back into this video. So friends, you can try going on with various shades in green. You can try going on with a teal green or turquoise green, or you can even try going on with parrot green. Now, talking about the contrast colors to go on with your green, you can try going on with dark pink or dark blue, red, orange or yellow. These colors are such bright ones. Always remember to use bright colors in silk sarees as they give you such an amazing look. So hope you guys have really enjoyed this video. So remember to like to our channel and subscribe to our channel so you can purchase similar types of these green silk sarees by clicking the link below in the description box friends. You can buy these on Amazon and they're absolutely beautiful. Bye friends.